So if you've watched any of my soap making videos recently, you might have noticed a lot of them were pirate and mermaid themed. And that was all in preparation for the Pirate and Wine Festival that I volunteered to dress up as a mermaid in. So I had all the mermaid covered, but I needed something that would be piratey. I think that's a word. I also get a lot of requests when I do vendor events for men's soaps, and I rarely ever have any dude soaps on hand. So that's where the inspiration for this bar came from. I was going for like a Stormy Seas, Johnny Depp, Jack Sparrow, and include everything that a pirate would love. So the fragrance notes are kaffir lime, lemon, ozone, basil, black pepper, cucumber, vetiver, and clove. It's your very typical cologne type of smell. Like I imagined if you sniffed Johnny Depp, that's what it would smell like. For the top of this bar, I wanted some rubies, some coins, and some bottles to look like rum. How do you turn a pirate furious? You take away the pee. I'll let you think about that one, but let's not take away from this soap. Let's take a look at the inside. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the swirls. It's giving me all the Stormy Seas vibes. I thought about calling the soap Pirate's Booty, but I went with a pirate's life instead. One final addition for the design, I wanted to add these little soap doubloons. A really, really weird word to say. Soap coins? Treasure? If you're interested in purchasing one of these bars, check out our website. One last joke for you. How much did the pirate pay for its piercings? $1. And I'll smell you later.